Have you ever stared at an error message for hours, wishing you had a debugging superpower? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 6, where we unlock pro-level debugging with Claude Code. First, let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. In the last episodes, we got Claude Code up and running, built our first app, speed boosted with /commands, and taught Claude to truly understand our project. Now, it's time to tackle one of the most important developer skills, finding and fixing bugs fast. Here's the magic. With Claude Code, you don't need to translate bugs into rigid, technical queries. Just describe what went wrong in your own words. For example, when I try to log in, I get a type error, or the checkout button does nothing after clicking. Claude Code shines when it comes to reading error messages. Paste in the error, and Claude will break down what it means, often pointing you directly to the line or logic causing trouble. No more deciphering cryptic stack traces alone. The real power comes from Claude Code's debugging workflow. Describe the bug, let Claude analyze and suggest a fix, then have it update the code. Next, test the change. If it's still not perfect, iterate. Describe what happened, get feedback, and repeat. This tight loop means you're constantly moving forward, not stuck in circles. Don't forget about logs and stack traces. If your app spits out logs, paste them into Claude Code. It can spot patterns and pinpoint where things went off track, saving you tons of manual digging. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine your app crashes with null reference exception on line 42. You paste the message and stack trace into Claude Code, along with a description of what you were doing. Claude can not only explain what's happening, but often write a fix, and even suggest tests to make sure it's truly solved. So, debugging with Claude Code is all about natural language, smart analysis, and a rapid fix-test-iterate cycle. No more getting lost in the weeds. Let the AI help you focus on what matters, building great software. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next episode.